Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make vanilla ice cream at home. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, and 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract for that classic flavor, and a small pinch of salt to balance everything out. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Next, let's prepare the ice cream base. In a medium-sized bowl, combine your heavy cream, whole milk, and granulated sugar. Whisk these ingredients together thoroughly until you can no longer feel any sugar granules at the bottom, ensuring it's completely dissolved. Then, stir in your vanilla extract and that tiny pinch of salt. This creates a smooth, flavorful foundation for your delicious treat. Now it's time for the magic of churning. Carefully pour your well-mixed ice cream base into the frozen bowl of your ice cream maker. Follow your specific machine's instructions for churning. Typically, this takes around 20 to 25 minutes. The churning process incorporates air, transforming the liquid base into a soft, creamy, and delightful frozen dessert. It's exciting to watch it thicken. Once churned, your ice cream will be soft-serve consistency. For a firmer scoop, transfer it to an airtight container and place it in the freezer for at least 4 hours or even overnight. This allows it to harden perfectly. When you're ready, scoop out generous portions and savor the rich, creamy taste of your homemade vanilla ice cream. It's truly a delightful reward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.